Hello, poor guy here. I'm creating a burger with meat and cheese and leftover Stouffer's mac and cheese. Woo woo! That's all I got.
Yeah. Yummy.
How much are these?
Stouffer should really sponsor us with how
All right, these balls of ground beef are 2/3 cups, and we're going to use the Cuisinart burger press. Not smashing, pressing. We got some Gouda cheese because Tori loves it. She thinks it's a really good. And then we're gonna do some whiskey burger. Why? Because we got it, and I didn't want to spend any more money. What? Yeah, we like this whiskey burger by Blackstone. Getting a little low, but so here's the idea. And I did a video a little while ago about all these great Blackstone products you can get in a kit, 25-piece kit. And these are the egg ring trays, and they're bigger than the ones I've had before. So my friend Annie over at Annie Smoking Pot, she said, hey, now you can use those egg ring trays for macaroni and cheese and make a macaroni and cheeseburger like she did. And Annie Smoking Pot, yeah, she's awesome. And her husband Darren is awesome too. I got an itch on my leg. Dry skin during the winter, what can I say? And so I'm going to take this mac and cheese because she had a good idea, and I'm going to put it in there, press it, and kind of form little discs of macaroni and cheese, and then just make my burgers and put the macaroni and cheese on top of the burger with the Gouda cheese. It's kind of leftovers. That's leftover anyway. Yeah, and this is a Christmas gift. I don't know. The babes got this for me for Christmas, and there's, I don't know, like 20 different ones. So I'm starting today with the grill fava. Meet me outside, and I'll cook up some burgers and mac and cheese and create something ever. Oh, wait a minute. Look at, we splurged a little bit today. So many people use brioche buns for their hamburgers. I never have. This is Artisano by Sara Lee. And look at it, they're beautiful.
They're really pretty.
And they're super soft. I'm not even gonna grill these up because they're so soft and beautiful the way they are. And I thought that would be really nice and stuff. Come outside. Okay, later, bye. Let's start with the mac and cheese. I'm going to put some of this on there. I just feel it's necessary. Whoop. Now, the mac and cheese, right? There we go. Leftover Stouffer's. Anyone that's familiar with Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking knows that we do a lot of videos with leftover Stouffer's mac and cheese. It's just one of those meals during the week where you just stick it in the oven and you eat it. You don't eat all of it. And it's so good warmed up, even if you just do it in a microwave. I actually think Don and I were talking about this one day. It's actually, that might be too much. That might, it's actually better left over for some reason. I don't know. So,
It's better on the Blackstone.
oh yeah. Yeah, we've done several videos. There was one I did, one of our very first videos, where I just took it and warmed it up on the Blackstone. That's when I was poor guy with a Blackstone. And now poor guy has more cooking equipment. Oh, there's more leftover Stouffer's mac and cheese? What a bummer. Mmm. So tasty. Mm. You can hear it sizzling. So kind of my goal is to press this down in this form and see if this actually works. If not, it's really not the end of the world, right? This isn't rocket science. Yeah. And so what the goal is with the macaroni and cheese is just to get it a little bit crispy around the edges. This Blackstone's warming up. I'm also heating up my my Cuisinart cast iron burger press. I'm parched already. Listen to that. That sounds great. Sizzling. I hope I'm not burning it. I'm actually going to turn that side down. Those two burners I just turned down. This side I'm going to keep on high because we're going to press these burgers. Honey, I forgot a piece of parchment paper. Thank you. I wonder if this is going to actually work. No, it was going to work until I messed with it. Yeah. So 80-20 ground beef, 2 slices of great value Gouda cheese. As soon as Dawn comes out with my pre-cut parchment paper, I'll go ahead and start pressing these burgers. Oh, I have some made up in there, but you can rip that off if you want. That's fine. That'll work out just fine. Thank you, sweetheart. I always forget something. This is the end of the parchment paper, so it curls up a lot. Okay. I don't have my gloves. Hold on a second. Because if I don't have gloves on and I touch raw meat, I'll get crucified. We all know it. Yeah, that's nice and hot. There, not touching raw meat. But I'll just go ahead and wash this later. Let's get to pressing. So this, I got a baggy shirt on today. The Cuisinart burger press, you know, you're not going to get it smashed. You're pressing it. And it'll come out nice. We've done this before. We're actually going to have burgers for supper. But, you know, for the video, I wanted to do it this way because the burgers are a little bit bigger. See, you can see. That's a good sized burger. Yeah, right on. Oh, yeah. Of course, we got to have people walking down our street like, you know, it's their street or something. And the doggies, they just tell them to go away and stuff. Okay, there's my burger. Thank you, sweetheart. Look at those. Those are big, beefy burgers. Oh, thank you. I think you got rid of them. Those people they just went along their merry way. Yeah. Let's check out these little mac and cheese rings. Okay. Yeah. Things are working out here nicely. Gonna get ready to flip them burgers, we are. Oh yeah, he's Frodo's ready to go. First I'm gonna flip these over. Well,
That's okay.
so much for that idea. At the end of the day, it's still going on these burgers. Let me be a little bit more careful with this one. Yeah. Well, we got that crispy goldenness. That's the important part.
Not that good.
Nah, it'll be all right. It'll be all right. Let's get to flipping these. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So even that Cuisinart burger press, you're going to get some good color on these burgers. Beauteous. That's a beautiful sight right there. Man, I tell you, this stuff right here, that's going to be good on that burger. I'm going to cook them up with some Gouda. Put that mac and cheese on top. And I'm going to put a little bit of mustard on mine. Yep. How's everybody doing today? Great. Good to hear. Oh, hey, listen. I got some new magnets. They're cool. So I had posted a deal in my community tab page that showed the magnet, and I said, hey, if anybody wants a new magnet from the Poor Guy to email me. So if you want one, go ahead and look at my community thingamabob there and send me an email. I put my email on there. I got a lot of nice people that want a Poor Guy magnet, and if anybody else wants one that didn't see it, I'll be happy to send one. So I'm going to be sending out quite a few this weekend. So I got 25. First come, first serve. I mean, I'm the poor guy. Okay, I'm going to put this cheese on here. And we're going to let that get melty, melty. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and turn everything off. Because that mac and cheese is right where I want it. I'm going to let that cheese melt on top of those burgers. And then we're going to bring it in the house and taste it. Because that's what we do. Mac and cheese burgers, I guess, is what we call them, huh? It's a good idea. I think it's going to be tasty. And I still have some leftovers. I'm happy about that. Okay, when that cheese melts, we'll bring them inside. We'll dress up a burger, get a thumbnail, and give it a taste. Look at that burger. Crazy or what?
That looks so good.
I know. I'm going to put some mustard on it. And quite honestly, we're going to have burgers for supper. So I'm just gonna stuff this in my mouth and see what happens. I see a lot of people doing stuff like that. Let's smash it down a little bit.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cheers, everybody. Mm.
Oh, that looks good.
Mm. Mm. That's a tasty creation. Mm. That's my burger. Don wouldn't be happy with that, but mm. Wow, that is really freaking good. That Gouda cheese was the right call.
Yeah. Gouda is always good.
Mm. My mouth is full. That's a good burger. It's actually really, really good. Mm. Mac and cheeseburger on the Blackstone. That's a poor guy cook if I ever saw one. That's what we got for you. Like, comment, subscribe, please. That'd be great. I never usually say that, but I'm going to say it today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe being the most important. Commenting second. Liking third. In that order. Hello, everybody. Have a good day and a really good life. Peace.